Alright, so in this video, I want to show you how to be taking the futures trades. Now, futures trading is different from spot trading, although I've taught that in my academy. But this video is for the sake of those who are in the free group who are also joining us in taking the trades, because I drop some of the signals in the free group so that people can also make money from there. So if you are in our free group, Blockchainplus. So when I drop these signals, this will help you take the signals. If it is a buy, this will help you take it. If it's a sell, this will help you take it. So I'm going to explain everything to you and how to take the trade, so that when you see me drop the signals like that in the group, you're not going to be missing out. Now I'm doing this from my demo account. If you look at this place, this says demo account. So usually when I drop the trades, I just drop it in the group, so you take it from there. Now I'm doing this from the demo account because I'm not going to be doing any analysis on this. I'm just teaching you what to do so that you will join the trade as well. Now when you see me drop the signals in the group, now you come to your futures trading. Remember, we are on futures trading. So of course, futures trading is also on live account. This is just the demo account, and you go to your futures trading on live. Now depending on what I drop, if I drop long, you can see here we have long, we have short. Now if I drop the trade, sometimes I can say buy long. That means you are going long. If I say sell short, that means sell short means you are shorting. That's you're shorting the market. Now I'm going to show you how I drop the signal in the group so that you understand what to do. Let me go to the group first and show you how I drop the signals there. Now if you look at this, let me just go all the way up. Okay, not from here. This is, now if you look at this is on spot. I dropped this on spot, so you don't need to do anything. Just go to your spot and buy them and leave them. But let's look for the ones that are on futures. So if you look at this, you can see how much you made from Bitcoin. That's from Bitcoin. So you can see this one is from Solana, 50 something percent. So let me go down. Good. Now if you look at this, this is Cardano. So I dropped this on the group, on the free group as well. Now if you look at it, I said ADA USDT, which is Cardano. So I said buy long, leverage. I also gave the leverage 10x, entry, market. So when I say market, I mean go and buy. If you see it immediately as I post it, look at the time I posted it, 11:05. So if you see it within that 11:05 or 11:06 or 11:07, that means just enter the market at that point that it is. But if you come and you see that, let's say 12 something or 1 something, it means the market must have moved against us, or it must have moved in our favor. So all you need to do is to check the time. Now I have stopped using market. I want to be putting the exact entry price, so that when you see the price, we'll check if it corresponds with what you are also doing. So for instance, if it doesn't correspond, you know that okay, that it has moved in our favor, there is no need for you to enter again. Now I also put stop loss. This SL means stop loss, TP means take profits. So you should understand. So when you see all of these things, you should know what to do. Now let's say you see a signal like this: buy long, leverage 10x, entry, market, SL. Okay, let me look for the one that has entry price. Now you can see this was the SUI. It later went ahead to do 100%. Let me go down. Which one is this? Okay, this one is BRUSD, which also did very well, 60%. Okay, this is another Cardano. Now this is also BR. So you can see, guys, we are making money from this place. Okay, now this is Form USDT. This Form USDT actually did crazy percentage for us. So this is Form USDT. And by the way, if you're not in the group, you can just go ahead to Telegram and search for Blockchainplus. Just search for Blockchainplus and you're going to see it. You can see the logo here. Look for the one with this logo and you can join us and start trading with us also, so that you can start making money. But if you can't come to Telegram, you can also go to my link in bio and you're going to see the link to join this place. You can be making money from here every week as well, just as others are making money. So you can see here, I still enter 2.42. So that is the price. So I gave this one. You can see this one I said sell short. The other one was buy long. This one sell short. I said form USDT, right? So all you just need to do is to go to form. Now you take all this information. First of all, look for form USDT on futures. You look at the trade is sell short, leverage is 10x, entry is this price 2.242. So you come to Bybit like this. We are using Bybit for our trading, so you have to know that. You click on this place, this place that says Dodge. So you click on it, touch it like this. It's going to come up with other pairs. So you search for the one you want to buy. You click on this place to search. So I'm just going to click here, form. You can see form USDT. So that is form USDT. Let me zoom it out. Good. So this is form USDT. Now we are still on this trade. You can see my entry is here. Although I've taken profit from my real account, this is just the demo account. I just left it there to see how far this is going to go. Now this is where I put my TP. Sorry, here I put TP here. So in my real account, I've taken partial profit from this, waiting for it to hit TP. That is how you trade. You don't just leave everything open. When you see some good profit, you take it and then you wait for the others to hit TP. So now I said sell short, right? So it means we are clicking this, right? So we are on trade. You can see we are on trade, not on chart. Chart is where you do analysis. Trade is where you enter the market. So on trade, you are going to come to sell short. I'm just going to sell because this is demo account. So you come to this place. You see here that says market. If I was using entry market, you leave it at market. But now I said entry 2.42. That's the price, right? So you come to this entry, you come to this market, click on it, and you're going to see limit. So you change it from market to limit. Then you put the price. You touch here. You can see it's giving us 2.30. So we go back and clean it and put at 2.42. That's the price I said you should put. Then here, you can see here, X 10x, that is the leverage. So if I say 10x, you leave it at 10x. If I say 5x, you change it. You click on it to change it. You can see 5x, 4x, 3x, and all of that. So, but right now, I said 10x. Now, here is for you to put the amount you want to use to be buying. You get. So, we are using 10x. So, if you want to use $10, it means you have to put like 100 there. If you want to use $100, you have to put 1,000 because we are using 10x. So, 1,000 divided by 10 will now give you the real amount. So, let me say I put 1,000 here. You can see that okay, that 1,000. Let me see why it's not giving us. It's supposed to give us the total cost on USDT. You can see it here. It's saying 0101. That is the amount it's going to cost us. Now if I remove that 10 at the front and leave it, it's costing us what? $10 there. You can see it here. You can see $10. That is the amount it's going to cost us, right, to enter this trade. So for me, I've told people in the group, if you don't have good money, start with $10. Start with $10 and be trading. Now I have put the amount I want to use there. Now let me come to TP. You can see TP and SL here. This place. Click on that one, TP/SL. So you click on it. Now the first one is usually take profit. The second one is your SL, which is your stop loss. So the take profit, I already told us where the take profit is. Let's go back and bring it out so you can see. So you can see the take SL is 2.66, take profit is 1.8. So we are going to go back now and then you put your take profit TP 1.80. You can see the return on investment is going to be, since I'm using $10, it's telling me I'm going to make $25 because ROI is 256%, right? Now SL, I said 2 point what again? Let me see. 2.66. So sorry about that. 2.66. So the SL is what? 99 99%. So I am losing. If it goes against me, it means I'll be losing. If this trade goes against me, it means I will be losing $9. But if it goes in my favor, I'll be making $25. So that means my risk to reward ratio is more than 1:2, right? So that means with this trade, I'm good to go. Now all I can now do, I've put all the parameters that I used to send to you guys. I've put the price, I've put the amount I want to use. Remember this place, this amount, order value, that place that says order value that I put 100, that one is dependent on you, how much you want to put there. If you want to use $100, I've told you put 1,000. If you want to use $10, you put 100. If you want to use $50, you put 500. So understand that if you want to use $220, you put 200. So let's say I want to use $25, I'll put 250. You can see after I put 250, this place gave me 25. You can see it there. Now for here, if I look at this place now, my profit margin is going to increase. It's telling me that how much will I be making now? $63. So with my $25, I can make $63 if it goes in my favor. So these are just the things you need to do to now take the trade. And the next thing you need to do is to now click on this short. So I'll click on this short. So I'm shorting this market right now because I am trading it with demo. So I have entered the market. Let's go down and see. You can see this is the form. This is the form I took. This is the one we took earlier. This is it, form USDT. I have not closed it fully. You can see here, I'm making $83 with the amount I entered. That is 39%. Now this is ADA. Okay, this is ADA. So I want to look for the one we just took now. Okay, so the one we took now is also going to be inside here. So it's going to enter inside there as well. So that is how you sell short. Now let's go back to see how you actually buy long. So I've shown you for short. So let me see if I posted any trade here for us to buy long. So let me see. Okay, this one actually did madly. You can see this one I took with $10, I made $21 from this particular one. So that one did very, very well. So let me just look for the trade that I said buy. Okay, let me look at Cardano again. So this Cardano, I said buy long, but I did entry market. So you now understand how to put your entry price. So let me now use this one to buy long, ADA USDT. So I'll go back now. Let me go back. This time I want to buy ADA USDT. Same like that. We'll go here and change it to ADA USDT. You can look for ADA like this. You can see ADA here. So I'm going to click on it. So now, already I've entered it before. You can see the entry here. The entry is somewhere around here. This is the SL and this is the TP. All right. So I want to enter it again. I'm buying long. So this time around, I'm using limit. Let me use limit. So limit is, you can see these prices. I'll just choose one of them. Just choose this one, 0.73885. So I'm going to change this into 83. So it's going to set the limit. Now, the next thing I want to do, I'll put the price I want to buy, order value. I want to buy for, let's say, 300. That's $30. You can see it here. It's saying $30. Cost is $30, right? So now I'll come to my TP and my SL. You can see take profit here. So let's check the take profit again. Take profit is 1.14, SL is 0.56. So I'll come here and put take profit 1.14. That is over 500%. So with my $30, I can make $163, right? Which is very, very possible. And then let's come to this stop loss is 0.56. So, and I'm risking $72. You can see there. So this means that, let me check very well. Okay, it's correct. So this means that I'll be risking $72 to chase how much again? 100 and let me see, $163, which is more than the 1:2 as well. So now I've entered all I need to enter. The next thing I will do is to click buy long. So but before I click it, If you know that this risk is going to be too much for you and because of the leverage, so you can just reduce your leverage size, let's say to 5. So if you reduce your leverage size to 5, it means this is your SL here. You can see your SL has reduced to this thing 120%, but then you are still having 300. So this 300 you are having is because when you reduce the leverage size, it's going to require more money. You get, it's going to require more money to put into the trade. So let's reduce this place to 150 instead of reducing here. So I'll reduce that place. Let me put here back to 10. So depend on you. If you don't want to risk all of that, so you reduce that place. Let's check here now. So you can see here it's now $36 as against 50, as against 72. So my take profit also reduced to, let's say, 81. So which is good. If I don't want to risk much money, you get, I will leave it like that, and then I will click buy long. Of course, we want to buy long, so I'll click on long right now. So you can see that it's now in order. You can see, so the other one will also bought because we are in limit, it has not bought. So let's see, you can see orders I have 7, positions I have 5. So that means the ones that are in queue have not bought. So you can see it here, and that is in limit, it has not bought. Okay, let me check for the other one. Form is also in limit, it has not bought. So once the price gets to those points, it's going to buy. So guys, this is just how you enter the trade on futures. Everything I've done here on this demo account, you can do it on your real account as well. I believe you've understand what to do now, so that you don't come asking me question on my DM, telling me how do I take this trade. And for you that is not in this our Telegram group, just do where to join. If you want to be trading with us, making this kind of gains with us, you can just join us on our Telegram group. But if you want to also join my mentorship group, where I teach you and drop more signals for you to take trades, then DM me and I'll show you what you need to do so that you join. It's a paid group and the price is 30,000 naira or 20 USD for you to join. With 20 USD, you have access to the group for 1 full year, or 30,000 naira, you have access to the group for 1 full year. You learn everything about cryptocurrency trading and investment, how to make money trading or investing. And aside that, I also drop signals for you. In fact, I drop more signals in the academy more than the way I drop in the free group. And of course, it is very, very necessary for me to do that, because those who have paid should enjoy more and also get more reward from me. All right, so that is it for me in this particular video. If you have any question regarding what I've just showed you right now, you can do well to drop your question in the comment section, and I will answer your questions for you. All right, till I come your way again, remain blessed.